Hi guys, I'm Yuyu De Guzman of United Car Clubs of the Philippines. Ako po ang founder and president. So brief history lang ng UCCP. Ang UCCP po ay tinayo noong 2015. Ngayon po ay ika-7th year namin. So obviously we are celebrating our 7th year anniversary dito po sa Mitsubishi Valenzuela. Sa lahat ng car clubs po, i-invite po natin sila.
You wanna be a boxing star, huh? You know you gotta beat me first. And I ain't let nobody beat me. Ain't no chumps up in here. You step in my ring, you get dealt with. I'm gonna show you how we do it over here. Yeah, let's go. Bright lights, yeah. Long fights, That's nothing compared to the training in my life. I wake up every day ready to get to that moment. Cause soon as I step in that ring, guaranteed I'ma own it. Brother, I tell you I'm on it. Back you up in that corner. I don't float like a butterfly, but I sting like a hornet. So to my opposition, I hope you paying attention. Cause I'm coming straight for your mouth like I'm somebody's dentist. I'ma go get it, better believe I'm a minute. Soon as I finish winning my competition, I'm getting riches. So listen very closely. If you wanna proceed, I hit you so hard I turn you into the letter OG. Now I ain't playing, I don't know who you facing. I'm building my reputation as I'm beating your face in. This my invitation, accept it, you in trouble. I see you in the ring unless you're ready to run. Let's go.
Okay, so that's it for today mga boss. Maraming salamat unang-una sa lahat ng sumuporta at nakasuporta sa United Car Clubs of the Philippines. Siyempre, pinapasalamatan ko lahat ng members na umattend po dito, nanood sa live, ang mga aspirants siyempre ng UCC. Salamat din po sa lahat ng sponsors po namin. Unang-una ang Auto Hub Group, ang Mitsubishi Valenzuela, kung saan po ginanap yung ating 7th year anniversary. Car Hub Philippines, maraming salamat. Navitopia. Siyempre, yung Motul, maraming salamat po. And sa lahat na nag-boot po dito, lahat na nag-participate, yung banda natin, sa misis ko, sa lahat ng kadikit ko, mga kaibigan ko, mga pinsa ko, nandyan silang lahat. So sa susunod na event po, attend po kayo ulit. Maraming salamat po. Ako po ulit si Yuyu De Guzman, United Car Clubs of the Philippines. Mabuhay po kayo. Thank you.